Esther Delicious, big up yourself. Baking soda is very, very, very good for a lot of stuff, and also it's good and it's also bad. It's both side. I want to encourage you to say take baking soda for say 1 week. Just keep taking it straight every day, every day, every day, every day. Now, if you take it for like 2 days or 3 days the least, and see how that work on your immune system. Yeah, boy, big up yourself. What gonna good for everything. Yeah, man. To to Doctor Health. Okay, yeah. Bless up yourself too. Yes, I use it many times ago. Many times when I use the baking soda, man. Um, I have it even on my other YouTube channel, which I did that probably about 5-6 years ago. You know what I mean? I have a lot of video on it. But sometimes I just share some with my, you know what I mean, with my audience to let them know that. Because sometimes some people doesn't know these little things can help them at home in many different kind of way for your teeth. Lots of research on it, same way still. But even some people are saying it's good for certain kind of cancer. It's good for your itchy skin. It's good for your teeth, bad breath, a lot of things. The baking soda is really good for. But just, you know what I mean, touch base on a lot of people they suffer from heartburn or acid reflux. And that's why I'm touching a little bit of topic on it this evening to say, you know what I mean? But it is important for you to check with your doctor, you know? Doctor Health, other things. Okay, I need to check out them then. Yeah, I need to check out them. Is Doctor Health is a YouTube channel, or is just I don't know. I may have a look at it then. Yeah, man. Baking soda have a lot of benefit, guys, if you are suffering from certain kind of symptom, you know what I mean, like, you know what I mean, acid reflux or heartburn at home. You can try the baking soda. You can get it to buy in the health shop, or you probably you know what I mean, your local supermarket. Make sure you're getting the right one. All right, guys, because there are so many things out there. You don't want to be getting fake things. All right, so if you want to go to the supermarket and you want to get yourself some good baking soda, go and get yourself good baking soda, even from the health shop or from a supermarket where you know, say, this is where I bought my stuff, and I know definitely this is where I bought my things, and I know it's going to help. All right, but yeah, it's got a lot of health benefit. It's good for bad breath. It's good for your teeth. It's good for like itchy skin and a lot more things. Because I was doing a lot of reading up on it, and again, although I know I shared it many years ago with you guys, I don't know if you guys see the video on my main YouTube channel, Chef Ricardo Cooking, which I share it with you guys before. But yeah, very, very, very good. It's also good and it's also bad, so you have to know how to use it. But I wouldn't recommend it to anybody to keep using it every single day. No, that's not what you want to do at home. You can use it for a couple of days to use it and, you know what I mean, brush your teeth and do a lot more stuff with it. You know what I mean, if you are suffering from certain kind of stuff at home, that's, you know what I mean, baking soda really come in handy. So these are things that you're not supposed to be running out at home. Make sure you guys have these things at home. All right, that, cause you never know, anything can happen, as I mentioned before. You know what I mean, sometimes we're at home, but anything can happen. So make sure, two things. If you are, say you're at home and, you know what I mean, in the middle of the night you have some heartburn or acid reflux, and you don't have any choice, you know what I mean, you're gonna have to use some baking soda, you know what I mean, because the doctor not gonna be coming right away, the pharmacy doesn't open, and you're at a location where you cannot get certain things, then baking soda really come in handy. And that's why I said, make sure you guys use up these things on a regular basic in your cupboard. Have them in your cupboard. All right, very, very good to have in your cupboard because it come in really handy at a time when you're going to need it. So baking soda, I did it many times over and over and over. So sometimes I just touch base back on it like what I'm doing right now to keep you guys update with the baking soda. But yeah, you can go to your, I use it many times to wash my vegetables. As you guys can see, I use baking soda many times to wash my, so you can get roughly about say a teaspoon of the baking soda, put it into a cup like this. All right, if you're suffering from heartburn or acid reflux and you know you got a stressful day with it, you didn't got any chance to go to the doctor or to the pharmacy to get yourself some medication or anything, and this is something which I would encourage you guys you can do at home and drink it. All right, very good for you guys to try this one at home. All right, let's give it a mix and you can drink this one right here. So this got a lot of health benefit, guys. Not only just heartburn and acid reflux, it's got a lot more health benefit otherwise, where you guys can also, if you want to do your own research, you can also do your own research on it, and you know what I mean, yeah, but you can do your own research for yourself and see for yourself. But if you go to the pharmacy or your local supermarket or your local shop, you can get it, buy it and have it in your cupboard, just to keep you guys update. All right, just to remind you guys that you can get these things to buy, all right, in the supermarket or in your local health shop. Get it and use it. Very important one to have at home. Anyway, guys, it's just an update and from Chef Ricardo today. So hope you